everyone. I have this door sensor. It's a smart door sensor and it's connected through Alexa and whatnot. And I've made my Echo Show become a door alarm system. And how it works is during the nighttime hours that I set it for, I've changed it so that I could show you guys. Essentially what happens is when you open it, and you're not supposed to, it turns all the lights on and it sounds an alarm and it turns my Roomba on. So hopefully that'll stop somebody coming in and startle them enough. So we're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna have my hand on the door and I'll show you guys. And then to turn it off, Alexa, 0 dark 30. And everything in the house turns off. Light turned off. Poor little Roomba turned off. Go ahead, go home. And so would-be intruder would end up getting attacked by the Roomba.